Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Kind of showing off some of my work that I've done. This is a picture above a garage door, of multiple garage doors they have, a hog pen. And what it is, it's our church. And I'm going to show you how to trace this and the reason why I'm doing it. I made this years ago. This is made out of black or metal, then sandblasted and painted. And it's on a piece of a hardy board, painted white. It's been up there like 5 years. They just took this picture today. Still looks sharp. Anyway, that beside the point. I was going to show you, they wanted it, they're having a golf tournament, the Hogs are. Hogs stands for happy old, I always say geezers serving because it's hogs. Um, I guess it's happy old guys serving. I always call them geezers. Um, I'm as old as some of them now, but I have not had the time to help them. They go up there every Wednesday to the church and mow and weed eat and clean up, set up and do anything they want. But anyway, a young lady contacted me that she wants to use this for the golf tournament they're having, and I thought I'd just show you one little trick. So I'm going to trace this outline trace clip art, which I use 99% of the time. I'm going to go ahead and take away background, but see there's some shadowing. So normally, in this case, I would ungroup it and then start deleting these things. And then I looked at them going, well, the whole thing's black. Why don't you just grab the black and get it out of the way and then delete all this? So then you have a pretty good representation of it. It's a little rough. And I'm going to actually left click, right click. And I made this years ago and they asked me for the file. I can't find the file. And my initial reaction was too many nodes. So I selected it. And normally I go 20, I'm on 10. I don't know if that's a percentage. I'm having trouble typing 10. So we went from, I'm looking at the bottom, 296 nodes to 138. It deleted half of them. And then if you want to, you can go clean it up some more and, like take out that node, take out, these nodes. And they're just using it for a logo for a banner or a handout card. So I just went through and deleted all the interior nodes that aren't needed. And it's it's in an envelope shape. So you don't have to be perfect. And I've already sent it to her in a PDF. But on things like this, I would just take the shape tool or the smoothing tool and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Now, if I had to recut this on the plasma cutter, I would clean it up a little bit more. But if you printed this on a flyer, nobody's going to know. I spent a little bit more time on it and cleaned it up well, matter of fact, I've got the one I've done right here. And if we look and take the shape tool, 142 nodes. And I think it looks pretty good. Anyway, just a little show off. I've been proud of that. I bet it's been up there 8 years. I mean, it's undercover, there's an awning, but still it looks like as good as the day we put it up there. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.